So your moon sign basically represents your inner emotional nature. The moon is what represents how you process your emotions and how you feel. Your moon is in Virgo, which basically means that when it comes to your emotions, you like to logically process them. You're also very practical when it comes to your emotions, and you don't have overbearing displays of emotions that's difficult to keep in. Also, your emotions aren't very chaotic. So your emotions are usually quite stable, they're quite under control, and you're able to rationally and practically work through them. You're also very observant of your emotions, and you most likely know your own emotional working very, very well, because you have sat down and you have listened to your emotions and you have listened to what you feel, and you know exactly how to work with what's going on inside you. So having a Virgo moon can be very beneficial in terms of analyzing and understanding your own emotions and what you're going through. With a Virgo moon, you'll usually come to some kind of conclusion in terms of what you're feeling. So let's say, for example, you're feeling a negative emotion and something bad has happened. Then you'll end up saying to yourself, but hold up, maybe I'm feeling this way because of this, this, and this. So the reason I'm feeling this way now is not really relevant. Then you will somehow rationalize inside yourself, and you'll come to some kind of understanding in terms of what you're going through. This is a very nice aspect to have, as a lot of people don't have their emotions under control, they don't understand their emotions, and they don't understand how to work through their emotions. In your case, you do have your emotions under control and you do understand them. You know how to work through them and you know how to keep them at bay. It is very rare for you to have great outbursts of emotional displays, and all your emotions are usually very, very well organized, like filing cabinets inside you. So a very good way to describe a Virgo is to call them the organizer. And when the planet of emotions, which is the moon, falls in the sign of Virgo, which is the organizer, it basically means that you organize your emotions and you sort through your emotions. You do not let it linger, you do not ignore it, and you also don't let it boil to the surface and explode. You know exactly how to control it.